Alright, in this video I'm gonna show you guys where my drain hole is for the AC. I've been getting water on the passenger side when I run the AC, and just looking at videos and all that, it seems to be the drain hole for the AC. So in my case, I was able to I pushed the pedals all the way up, so it was easy to remove these. So I just kind of like pulled it a little bit, and this is a 2008 Cadillac SRX. So in my case, the drain hole is not there, but it's up there. So what I did, gently just remove this piece here that is like a tart-like piece, very gently, so it doesn't fall apart that much. And then I want to go ahead and remove these. Just pulled it. Okay, so I was able to just pull it off, and now what I'm doing is just removing this seal that is around the plastic cover gently, so I won't break it. It's hard to do with just one hand, not right-handed, so but alright, so using this tool that I have, I was able to put it on there and just pried it out. So it's almost out there. So here there's just a hole, and then this is the part that it seems to be causing the problem. Here's the O-ring piece already cleaned up. It did have some kind of gunk right there, so it's all clean. Putting the O-ring back. Okay, I did go ahead and remove it from the top, and again I blew the whole entire piece of hose and clean. So I just reset it in place, put this back. Now I'm gonna put this piece back as much as I can. Alright, so I'm just gonna, with this you need two hands, I'm gonna push this back in place, and then hopefully won't leak on the other side. Let's take